लाने ल यतैबाट जाऊ हेलो नमस्ते कम्बोडिया अहिले हामी कम्बोडियाको which place this place name brother सब साथीहरु पानी खाँदैछौँ हामीहरु लाने ल यतैबाट जाऊ
Within 5 kilometers from here, we have a mobile shop.
Okay.
So you're hearing the sound. This is a grind mill. So the grind mill machine. So how the process and how to people get the rice cooked, so they have to send to the machine here. So this is one a locally one, okay? Okay, let's go to see.
यहाँबाट हाल है ल हाल भनिन्छ कम्बोडिया देश तर हाम्रो यो कम्बोडिया धेरै विकास छ धेरै ठुल्ठुलो हाइवेहरू ठुलो बाटोहरू बनिरहेछ ठुलो यसमा हैन हेलो बर्खा लागेर यहाँ बन्दैछ भनौँ तरकारी फार्मिङ हुँदैछ खेतीपाती नमस्ते है नमस्ते पिसफुल राइडरबाट पिसफुल राइडरलाई लाइक सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनुहोस् कमेन्ट गरिदिनुहोस् अल भिडियो हेरिदिनुहोस् अनि तपाईहरुलाई विभिन्न ठाउँको विभिन्न देशको भिडियोहरू पस्किन्छु तपाईहरुको माया अझ मलाई सजेस्ट गर्नुहोस् विभिन्न कुन ठाउँको कुन देशको भिडियो तपाईहरुलाई चाहियो म त्यो देशमा गएर साइकल गरेर के चीज चाहियो अझ मेन्सन गरिदिनु भयो भने चाहिँ अझै मलाई धेरै सपोर्ट मिल्ने थियो
Hello Cambodia.
Keep riding. I'm sitting behind you.
Yes, namaste. Yeah, I will come that. Hello, namaste, Cambodia. Hey, I'm Cambodia. Which place? This place name, brother?
This is we call Po village.
Poor village.
Po
village. मा आइरहेछौँ हामीले साइकल गरिरहेछौँ नेपालको जनताबाट लिएर साइकलमा आनन्दले अनि अब तपाईहरु कम्बोडिया आउनुभयो भने चाहिँ यसरी साइकल गर्ने नेपालको झन्डा लिएर ठाउँ भित्र छिरियो भनेपछि मान्छेहरुमा एउटा चेतनाको वृद्धि हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ हामीलाई अनि नेपाल घुम्ने अनि कम्बोडिया घुम्ने एकअर्कामा हैन यहाँ चाहिँ तब एउटा के छ भनेदेखि एउटा किसानले एक चिज बनाइरहेछ भने त्यसमा विभिन्न देशको मान्छेहरूलाई साइकलको माध्यम हुन्छ कि मोटरसाइकलको माध्यम हुन्छ कि टुरिज्मको माध्यम हुन्छ कि कम्युनिटी प्रमोट जस्तो तरिकाले चाहिँ राम्रो प्रमोट गरिरहेको रहेछ होइन त्यो हेरिरहेको लाग्छ हाम्रो नेपालमा पनि यस्तै विभिन्न प्रकारको कामहरू गरेर टुरिज्म क्षेत्रबाट टुर क्षेत्रबाट त्यो भिजिट गर्ने त्यो ठाउँमा जाने त्यो किसानहरूलाई प्रमोट गर्ने यिनीहरूले प्रत्येक हामीसित गइरहेछन् प्रत्येक ठाउँमा पैसा दिइरहेछन् अनि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि उनीहरूलाई उत्साह हुन्छ विभिन्न ठाउँको मान्छे आउँछ सिकाउँछ त्यसले अनि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि आई थिङ्क मलाई लाग्छ चेतनामा वृद्धि र धेरै कम्युनिकेसन रिलेसनसिप धेरै चिजहरू हुन्छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि राम्रो जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई सब साथीहरू पानी खाँदैछौँ हामीहरू किनभने साह्रै देखा लाग्ने यहाँ धेरै गर्मी भयो सबै साथीहरूलाई अब हामी चाहिँ यहाँको लोकल टक्सी चाहिँ कसरी बनाउँछ अनि त्यो हेर्न जाँदैछौँ अनि हाम्रो साथी गाइडले चाहिँ अलिकति ब्रिफिङ गर्छौँ अनि त्यसपछि जान्छौँ हेर्छौँ
Yeah. So this is one of the very popular. What?
1 minute.
Oh,
Yeah.
I am very famous now.
Yeah. This MEIJU. That's a whiskey name or no?
No. This is just a bottle water, but we stuff the
They put
the inside. Okay.
Start.
Yeah. So hi everyone. So this is one of the liquor. So in Cambodia. So it's made from rice.
Yeah.
So we call rice whiskey. So I think you've been travel to many places like Korea. In Korea we know that very popular we call suju,
Suki.
right? And so in Japan we call sake. So
Sake.
also very popular. But when you come visit us in Cambodia, we call sraso.
Sraso.
Yeah, sra. It means that whiskey. Yeah, so it is the whiskey that made from rice. Okay,
Yeah.
and it have been using for every occasion, every celebration. So in the old days, so we use it to saving every party. Yeah, and also it made everywhere. You can find it every local store or at the shop. Yeah. So it could be alcohol is from 30 up to 60 degree. Yeah, this one. But this one that we are showing you, it is one of the already mixed with the mineral water, because we cannot drink it for the first distillation, because the alcohol is very high, up to 60 or 70 degree. So that's why we need to make more mineral water to be able to drink it. Right?
Yeah. Did they mix other things, or it's 100% pure good things, only water and that's alcohol?
They mix sugar.
This have been made by ingredient wise with like the yeast. So the yeast, it is from different ingredient from different regions. So they use different ingredients. But the common one, we made it from kalinga, chilies, pepper, anise. Yes, and so we make yeast by themselves. Yeah. Okay.
And then did they like it's a good for health, like a little, or it's some like a more drunk if they will?
Well, this is one of the a very local one, and it made by rice. So rice is one of really good. Yeah, really good taste. So it doesn't have any problems.
यहाँको लोकल रक्सीको बारेमा
Except if you drink over,
चाहिँ सुनिरहेछौँ है
if you drink over, it can be have any problem with your house. So we recommend everyone that drink just like for house and good when you're eating the food. Yeah, so that's it. If you
yeah.
drink over, it can be have any problem. You hung over for
Vomit,
next day
yeah.
cannot. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
You are welcome. Yeah.
This is the name of
Yes.
alcohol.
Alcohol is we call sraso.
Sraso.
Yes, sraso.
Sraso.
Yes, sraso.
Sraso.
Yes,
Yeah.
sraso.
सरासो यहाँ अहिले विस्कीको टेस्टहरू पनि गऱ्यो रमाइलो लाग्यो हैन फाइटर या बो
I give you. You can choose one.
I don't it's very hard to take Nepal उसले चाहिँ कुकुर दिइरहेको थियो मलाई लगेर जा नेपालमा भनेर त्यो चाहिँ रक्सीहरू यसरी बनाउँछ यहाँ चाहिँ स्मेल चाहिँ चिउराको जस्तो आउँदो रहेछ हैन चिउराको जस्तो स्मेल आउने हैन यसरी भिजाएर यो गरेर यो विभिन्न मेथडहरू पहिले अर्को ठाउँमा गएको थियो प्लिज टेल अस अबाउट दिस लिटल मोर ब्रदर हाउ दे मेक एन्ड दिस यसरी यिनीहरूले भुसलाई युज गरेर पकाएर अनि यो पाइपबाट चाहिँ उता पानी आएर यो पाइपबाट मोटर चलाइरहेछन् एउटा पानी आएर पानी चाहिँ यहाँबाट फिल्टर गरेर राम्रो टेक्निकबाट बनाइरहेछन् या टेल अस
Yeah. So now the whiskey is under cooking.
Yeah.
That you see now. So the big pot. So under the fire. So this cooking by using the husk. This is the husk.
Yeah.
So actually, this husk is not useful, but we can using for cooking the steamed rye or cooking the whiskey. So this is one of the whiskey procession. So how it make it? It will be the first you have to cook the steamed rye. So after you cook the steamed rye and then you mixing with the yeast. So after you keep inside, so the drink to put inside the pot just 1 week first to ferment it between yeast and rice. Turn up with the alcohols. And after a week, so the farmer will be put inside the big pot here, and then the cooking. So those water will be run through the pipe here, and then get inside the water here, and so the whiskey will be out at the one of the pot over there. You can look outside, please. Yeah.
यो चाहिँ बाहिरबाट तातो पानी जान्छ चिसो पानी जान्छ अनि यहाँ चाहिँ त्यो पाइप चाहिँ चिसो भएर अनि यो ग्यालिनमा पानी हुँदो रहेछ ल त्यो दुईटा ग्यालिनबाट झर्दो रहेछ रक्सी चाहिँ this is the whiskey, yes?
Yeah, this is the whiskey, but the alcohol is very strong. So it is about 60 to 70 degree alcohol, so you cannot drink. So you have to mix with mineral water. With mineral waters. So every day, so the farmer will be cook about 50 kilogram of rice. So the 50 kilogram of rice, but the rice is not taking the best quality. This rice is the broken rice. So they're taking from the number third or number 2. And this is for animal or for the bird eating, because the whiskey it doesn't need the best quality of rice. So 50 kilogram of rice, so they get about 70 to 80 liters of the whiskey.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
They make less rice and more whiskey.
More whiskey, Okay. And for that, this whiskey in Cambodia is not just for people drinking. Also, this can be using in the hospital or retreatment house. Yeah, it is not for drinking. So this for production, and then we have the wholesaler. We come to collect the whiskey from this family.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
यो चाहिँ उसको यसरी बनाएर हस्पिटलहरू अनि ठुल्ठुलो धनी मान्छेहरूले अनि धेरै उसमा पनि युज गर्दो रहेछ धेरै उसमा म मेन्सन गर्छु धन्यवाद अहिले हामी चाहिँ अर्को ठाउँ जाँदैछौँ यहाँ हाम्रो गाउँबाट आइयो जहाँ उस्की सुस्की बनाउने ठाउँ थियो उस्की बनाउने त्यो ठाउँबाट आइयो लोकल रक्सी मलाई लाग्छ हाम्रो नेपालमा पनि प्रशस्त यस्तोहरू बन्छ तर के गर्ने मान्छेहरू आउने हेर्ने छैन दुःख लाग्छ नेपालको हेर्दा अब आएर केही न केही गरौँ भन्ने यहाँ आएपछि केही न केही गरौँ भन्ने उत्साह जाँगर लाग्छ अब के गर्ने उहाँ गएपछि सिस्टम यो हेरिन्छ उता हेरिन्छ यस्तो त होइन भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ गलत कुरा हो यो चाहिँ लोटस
Yeah, this is lotus. This is areca.
Areca.
Yeah, areca. We call it bitter leaf. Okay. Oh, sorry, bitter leaf and bitter nut. So this is for the local people they eating. Yeah, to protect houses and the tobaccos. Yeah, smoke. Okay.
It's a local market.
Yeah, it's local
And you
farmers
can
market.
see
See here, this is one of the rice noodles.
Rice noodles.
Yeah, we tested the rice whiskey, and also this is very traditional in Cambodia one called rice noodles. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Can I taste? Can I taste one?
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, name bảo. Hot gan đấy.
Yeah, uta khá.
You been try it before?
No.
Nhà mày ở nhà mày cận mười mũi. Okay, you just seeing her how to eat it. Look into her first. How to eat.
यो त्यहाँ फोकस गरौँ न.
So yes, open by the teeth. Like that.
And then
And then eating.
अनि यसलाई चाहिँ
Yeah.
यस्तो गर्ने हैन अनि
Yeah.
Can I take one?
I think you put it just
this
alongside, eating alongside here.
huh?
No. Turning your leg alongside. I think the other you can open by the hands right now. Yeah. Wow.
यो खाने यो हो यो अनि
How to taste?
पिरो वाला खानु नि त सर पिरो वाला खुर्सानी वाला
खुर्सानी वाला है
होइन त खुर्सानी छैन रहेछ
खाऊ दिस
Similar. You can.
दिस look this
No, from this side. Your teeth is has to be. Please. Yeah. Perfect. Like that. Yeah.
भाइ हेर त यता हेर न अनि यसरी निकाल्ने
Yeah.
यसरी अनि
खायो म खान्छु म खाने
You like to eat it?
नमस्ते
Hello, mày cả.
हेलो
Mày? Hello.
Yeah. Fish. Yes. Yeah, Beguta. Can I?
Yeah.
Yes, Beguta. बेगुता यो बेगुता पनि खान्छ है यहाँ कम्बोडियामा चाहिँ यो बेगुता तपाईँहरूले गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ होइन तर हामीहरू नेपालमा चाहिँ घिन मान्छ होइन यो बेगुता
यो चाहिँ भ्याकुता मार्केट हो तर यो चाहिँ मैले ट्राई गर्नेछु है
Cái Nepal.
भ्याकुता रहेछ भ्याकुता मार्केट हाम्रो लागि चाहिँ